Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Ready to dive into the magic of Morocco? This North African gem is brimming with vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and rich history. Buckle up, because today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of the top 5 destinations you absolutely can't miss in this enchanting country. First stop, Marrakech. This city is a sensory overload in the best possible way. The sights, sounds, and smells will captivate you from the moment you arrive. From the bustling souks of Jemaa el Fna to the tranquil gardens of Majorelle, every corner of Marrakech tells a story. The vibrant colors and intricate designs are a feast for the eyes. Make sure you try the local street food. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. The flavors are bold and unforgettable. Next up, Chefchaouen. Known as the Blue City, this place is an Instagrammer's paradise. The blue-washed buildings create a serene and picturesque atmosphere. Wander through the narrow, winding streets painted in shades of blue, and you'll feel like you're in a dream. The charm of this city is simply irresistible. Don't forget to hike up to the Spanish Mosque for a breathtaking view of the entire town. The panoramic vistas are worth every step. Our third destination is the Sahara Desert. The vast, golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. Yes, you heard me right. The Sahara Desert is a must-visit for any traveler seeking adventure and tranquility. No trip to Morocco is complete without a camel trek into the golden dunes of Merzouga. The experience is both thrilling and serene. Spend a night in a Berber camp under the stars. It's an experience you'll never forget. The clear, starry sky is a sight to behold. Now, let's head to Fes. This city is a treasure trove of history and culture. This city is like stepping back in time. The ancient streets and buildings tell stories of a bygone era. Fes is home to one of the world's oldest universities, and the sprawling Medina is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The architecture is simply stunning. Lose yourself in the maze-like streets and discover hidden treasures around every corner. The souks are filled with unique and beautiful items. Last but not least, we have Essaouira. This coastal city is a breath of fresh air with its cool breezes and relaxed atmosphere. Known for its laid-back vibe and beautiful beaches, Essaouira is perfect for some relaxation. The sunsets here are absolutely stunning. Try your hand at windsurfing or just enjoy a leisurely stroll along the ramparts. The views of the ocean are breathtaking. So there you have it, 5 must-visit destinations in Morocco. Each one offers a unique glimpse into the rich culture and natural beauty of this incredible country. Each spot offers its own unique charm and unforgettable experiences. From the bustling markets to the serene deserts, Morocco has something for everyone. Ready to pack your bags and explore? The adventure of a lifetime awaits you in Morocco. Morocco is waiting for you. The warmth and hospitality of its people will make you feel right at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Your next journey is just a click away. Until next time, happy travels. May your journeys be filled with wonder and joy.